Welcome to spoken tutorial on vegetarian recipes for lactating mothers. In this tutorial, we will learn about importance of nutrition during lactation, preparation of vegetarian recipes such as mixed sprouts chila, garlic flaxseed and sesame chutney, peanut spinach and fenugreek cutlet, pearl millet and amaranth leaves muthia, sprouted fenugreek seeds curry. During lactation, a mother requires additional amount of nutrition for milk production to provide enough nutrients for the growing infant and to maintain mother's own health. Essential nutrients required during lactation are protein, vitamins, minerals, omega 3 fatty acids, and choline. Additionally, sufficient iodine and vitamin D intake is also essential because iodine helps in the making of thyroid hormones and growth and neurological development of infant. Hence, it is recommended to include iodized salt daily to prevent iodine deficiency. Similarly, vitamin D is essential for healthy bones and calcium absorption. The best way to obtain vitamin D is exposure to sunlight between 11 am to 3 pm for 15 to 20 minutes. After essential nutrients, we will now discuss about mother's diet. It is highly recommended to include different vegetables daily. Vegetables contain essential nutrients that help in building immunity. They are also good sources of antioxidants and they reduce the risk of diseases. Although all types of vegetables should be eaten, over here we will discuss a few only, such as capsicum, spinach, cabbage, cauliflower, amaranth, pumpkin, carrot, fenugreek leaves, and brinjal. Besides vegetables, we will learn about galactogogues. Galactogogues are substances that help in milk production. Mother can get it from diet by including garlic, fenugreek seeds and leaves, fennel seeds, garden cress seeds, drumstick leaves, dill leaves, and carom seeds. Other than vegetables and galactogogues, mother should drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. She should have a glass of boiled and cooled water before every feed. After learning all that is important for lactating mother, we will start with the preparation of recipes. The first recipe is mixed sprouts chila. To make this chila, we will need 1 cup mixed sprouts of Bengal gram, green gram and moth beans, 3 green chilies, 3 cloves of garlic, half onion, half cup gram flour, 1 tablespoon curd, salt to taste, half teaspoon curry leaves powder, 1 teaspoon garden cress seeds powder, 2 teaspoons of ghee. To prepare garden cress seeds powder, roast 1 tablespoon of seeds on low to medium heat till they change color. Allow the seeds to cool. Now grind them into a powder on a stone grinder or a mixer. To make sprouts, soak green gram, Bengal gram and moth beans overnight separately. Drain it in the morning and tie them in a clean muslin cloth. Leave them in a warm place to germinate for 2 days. Please note, moth beans may take longer time to germinate compared to green gram and Bengal gram. So plan your recipe accordingly. After the sprouts are ready, make a paste of sprouts, garlic, chilies, curd on a stone grinder or mixer. Now add gram flour and water and mix it well. To this mixture, add chopped onion, salt, curry leaves powder and garden cress seeds powder. After all this preparation is done, heat 1 teaspoon ghee in a pan, pour the mixture and spread it. Cook the chila on medium heat until both sides are cooked. The mixed sprout chila is ready. In case the pulses mentioned in this recipe are not available, then you may use black-eyed beans, chickpeas, horse gram, soya bean, whole red lentil, and kidney beans. Please note, duration of sprouting depends upon the type of the pulse and weather conditions. This recipe is rich in protein, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, folate, magnesium, zinc. The second recipe is garlic, flaxseed and sesame chutney. To prepare it, we need 3 tablespoons of flaxseed, 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 5 garlic cloves, 4 red chilies, 5 to 6 pieces of soaked tamarind, salt to taste, half teaspoon oil or ghee. First, roast sesame and flax seeds separately. Allow the seeds to cool. Next, heat half teaspoon oil in a pan and fry garlic and red chili for 2 minutes. After cooling, mix this with the seeds, add tamarind and salt to it. Make a paste on a stone grinder or a mixer by adding water. Chutney is ready. In case sesame seeds are not available, you can also use one or a combination of the following: shredded coconut, peanuts, black sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. This recipe is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, folate, protein, fiber, zinc. The third recipe which we will learn to make is peanut, spinach and fenugreek cutlet. To prepare the cutlets, we need half cup peanut powder, 2 tablespoons gram flour, 2 tablespoons wheat flour, half cup spinach chopped, 1/4 cup fenugreek leaves chopped, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon seeds powder. You can use a combination of sesame or flax seeds, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 4 spoons oil. To make peanut powder, roast half cup peanuts in a pan till they change color and aroma released. Allow them to cool. Then rub them in between your palms to remove the outer covering. Grind them on a stone grinder or a mixer to a fine powder. Now add peanut powder and all the other ingredients in a bowl. Using little water, make a dough out of it. Divide the dough into 4 portions and shape it into cutlets. Heat a tawa, add some oil, cook each cutlet on it till they turn golden brown on both sides. Peanut cutlets are ready. You can eat these cutlets with lemon pickle or gooseberry chutney. The vitamin C present in the lemon will help in the absorption of iron present in the cutlets. This cutlet recipe is rich in protein, iron, folate, good fats, and potassium. The fourth recipe is pearl millet and amaranth muthia. To prepare this, we need half cup pearl millet flour, 1 small onion, half cup amaranth leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon drumstick leaves powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half spoon mustard seeds, half spoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon oil. In a bowl, take the flour, onion and amaranth leaves. Now add turmeric powder, lemon juice and drumstick leaves powder. Mix them well. Knead a dough out of it by adding water little by little. Apply a little oil on your hands and divide dough into small portions. Shape the portions into cylindrical rolls. Steam the rolls in a steamer for 10 to 15 minutes on low to medium heat. Let the rolls cool and then cut them into circular pieces. Now heat 1 teaspoon oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds, sesame seeds and cumin seeds. Once they crackle, add the muthia pieces. Saute the pieces till crisp. The pearl millet and amaranth leaves muthia is ready. In case pearl millet is not available, You can also use sorghum flour or finger millet flour. This recipe is rich in protein, phosphorus, folate, iron, fiber, beta carotene, and potassium. The last recipe we will see is sprouted fenugreek seeds curry. To prepare this, we need 1 cup sprouted fenugreek seeds, 1 medium onion, 1 tomato, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon mustard and cumin, 1 teaspoon oil. To make fenugreek seed sprouts, soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight. Drain the water and tie it in a clean muslin cloth. Set aside for 2 or 3 days till they sprout. To make the recipe, in a pan, heat some oil, add mustard and cumin seeds and let it splutter. To this, add onion and fry till it changes color. Now add the tomatoes and cook till they turn soft. Next, add the spices and cook for 2 minutes. To this, add fenugreek sprouts and 2 tablespoons water. Mix well and close and cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Turn off the heat and add lemon juice. The sprouted fenugreek seeds curry is ready. This recipe is rich in protein, fiber, phosphorus, calcium, iron, and omega 3 fatty acids. Fenugreek sprouts are excellent galactagogues. All the recipes in this tutorial are rich in nutrients which are required for milk production, growth and development of the baby, and keeping the mother healthy. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for joining.